In this video, we are going to talk about our world's top most expensive military trucks. Stay till the end with us and grow your bundle of intelligence. MZKT-7930. This beast is a Russian-designed Army 8x8 transporter Elector launcher. It was developed in the early 90s and also sometimes called by the name Astrolog. This 8x8 wheel chassis has a payload capacity of up to 24,000 kilograms. It is mainly used to mount various weapon systems. This heavy load carrier is primarily designed for off-road applications. A forward control cab of the vehicle accommodates driver and 2 passengers. There is a roof hatch for emergency exit. Add-on armor kit can be fitted for the cab. It provides protection for the crew against small arms fire and artillery shell splinters. This vehicle lacks any defensive armament. It is powered by a YELTZ 846 turbocharged diesel engine, developing 500 horsepower. It is mated with a 6-speed manual transmission. The vehicle has a full-time all-wheel drive and is fitted with a central tire inflation system. First 2 axles are steerable. It also has a maximum row speed of 70 kilometers an hour. It reduces to 40 kilometers an hour on field roads and 20 kilometers an hour off-road. YELTZ 862. The YELTZ company is a specialized manufacturer of trucks, buses, and heavy vehicles. YELTZ 862 is a purpose-built military vehicle, simple in design and technology. It has a payload capacity of 18,000 kilograms. It can also tow a trailer with a maximum weight of over 10 tons. This truck is mainly used to carry military equipment and containers. This military truck is fitted with a lightly armored cab. Add-on armor kit can be fitted for a higher level of protection. Cab is fitted with 2 seats and 1 sleeper bunk. This cab has a roof hatch for ventilation and evacuation. The YELTZ 862 has a number of automotive components in common with this 6x6 military truck. This heavy utility truck is available in a number of variants, including multi-lift system. Other variants include dump truck, tanker, and other. These are used by Polish Army logistics and engineering forces. No doubt why this heavy-duty machine is considered to be the most expensive. The Navistar Truck 7000 MV. This is a military line heavy lift vehicle. It has the same heavy-duty features like other Beast models. No matter what the mission demands, the 7000 MV delivers. The International 7000 MV is powered by the same heavy-duty turbocharged diesel engine that's made a name tackling gravel pits, landfills, and rugged construction sites. Whether carrying armaments or personnel, its reliable max force engine has the muscle to move any size load over any type of terrain, and its flexible armoring capabilities ensure that it will all arrive safely. The vehicle's rugged design is the ideal combination of strength and toughness to meet the most challenging conditions. Built with heavy hauling in mind, it has flexible armoring capabilities. Also, it has a 50-degree wheel cut for a tighter radius. This MV is a hard-working model of efficiency that's being used in Iraq and Afghanistan today as a general troop transporter, wrecker, water tanker, petroleum, oil and lubricant vehicle, and hazardous material truck. Resvani Tank. Either you can be luxury or you can be military, but what happens when luxury meets military? The result is Resvani Tank. Designed for defense, built for the road, the toughest and most powerful road-going extreme utility vehicle on Earth. 2 unique off-road packages provide high ground clearance, top-of-the-line Fox off-road suspension, and equally capable tires allowing for unstoppable capabilities over any terrain. Has massive 16-inch and powerful 8-piston brake calipers provide consistent and powerful braking power to meet any needs. Made ergonomically, seats with over 10 styles to choose from provide maximum comfort. This is a proven and capable 4-wheel drive system that can be activated when needed for off-road use and deactivated to be more efficient on-road. Has dual vision setups, thermal night vision system from FLIR displays heat signatures as well as standard night vision. Has a full bulletproof glass and body, also has self-sealing fuel tank, gas mask, and first aid kit with several other features. No doubt it's a combination of military with luxury. KPA3 7634HE. The KRAS 7634AG special chassis is used to be upfitted with various military equipment and its operation over all kinds of roads and surfaces. It has an 8x8 configuration, and total gross weight of the truck is 32,000 kilograms, along with the load carrying capacity of 18,800 kilograms. Top speed of this KRAS is 100 kilometers per hour and has a turbocharged diesel engine. Military trucks KRAS meet all the requirements imposed on soldiers that is strong, tough, reliable, and undemanding. An interest from the military is based on high technical and operational characteristics of Ukrainian off-road trucks. MV3. MV3 is a robotic vehicle capable of multiple missions and counterterrorism. It is equipped with a collapsible front shield and removable and interchangeable ballistic shields attached to the rear of the vehicle. It is also equipped with gripper, harpoon, advanced video system, light and sound effects. The vehicle is remotely controlled and can be used for indoor-outdoor operations. It can be used in various areas like ballistic protection of teams, can be used in increased firepower, breaching and dynamic entry, and surveillance. It is the ideal tool for obstacles clearance on path of intervention and for removing dangerous and suspicious objects. It can also be used for the transport and extraction of wounded members and other personnel. It can be used for indoor as well as outdoor operations. Ashok Leyland Super Stallion 8x8. The Super Stallion Humvee 8x8 is the new flagship of Ashok Leyland's logistics vehicle range. It has been specially configured to meet the Army's emerging requirement for vehicles with higher mobility and greater power to operate in challenging desert terrains. It is propelled by 360 horsepower Neptune engine that can crank up torque of 1400 Newton meters. It has a huge driver comfort through the AC cabin, bucket seats, and parabolic suspension in front for a better ride. The Super Stallion platform promises the same versatility of the Stallion platform and can be offered for a variety of applications like field artillery tractor and mounted gun and driveline configurations. Kia Medium Tactical Vehicle. This is an armored truck of Kia Medium Tactical Vehicle. Presently, the model has 6x6 configuration, and 2 different variations are also developing. This armored truck is intended for operation in front line. Also, it improves support of rapid deployment units. The vehicle has a modular design and can be configured to suit many roles. Armored cab and body protects crew and cargo from small arms fire and artillery shell splinters. Some level of protection is provided against mine blasts. This mid-size standard vehicle development project is the result of a joint investment by the Korean military and Kia Motors. Mercedes-Benz XTros. When we hear Mercedes, it only strikes us about a luxurious car, but it is something different from that. You guys know what an RV is. It is termed as recreational vehicle, which includes living quarters designed for accommodation. What you see in front of you is none other than the all-wheel RV known as the Mercedes-Benz XTros 2733A 6x6. Based loosely off a semi with its cab-behind engine layout, it offers sensational traction and versatility and unparalleled living arrangements. This rugged roadhouse on wheels really is perfect for anyone wanting to get away from it. Available in 4x4 and 6x6 configurations, it is offering to those who are looking to go places that big trucks shouldn't go, including military, firefighting, and remote access applications. It's a long way from its flagship Actros highway truck, but the jobs the XTros is intended for and the terrain is designed to cover would likely stop most highway trucks in their tracks. Terrapan 8x8. Terrapan 8x8 is an armored container carrier. Main mission for this heavy-duty vehicle is to transport standard ISO containers. It is worth noting that currently containers are the backbone of military logistics. Most military cargo are transported by containers. The Terrapan 8x8 container carrier allows you to fulfill transport tasks in electrostatic, enemy-infested areas by means of passive and active protection of the vehicle. Application of fire by a mounted weapon. This container carrier has a maximum payload capacity of 17,200 kilograms. It can also tow trailer with a maximum weight of 16,000 kilograms. Vehicle can carry containers over all kinds of rough terrain. armored cab of the Terrapan accommodates driver and 2 passengers. The baseline protection is against small arms fire, artillery shell splinters, hand grenade blasts, and anti-personnel mines. The Terrapan is fitted with advanced pneumatic suspension with adjustable ground clearance. Depending on terrain conditions, the ground clearance can be temporarily increased or reduced while driving. The vehicle is fitted with a central tire inflation system. HX 8x8. This heavy-duty truck is a range of HX family manufactured by Rheinmetall military vehicles. The HX series is extremely versatile and its predecessor in terms of technology. HX suspension system has proven its worth over time. It was enhanced for the HX with long, wear-free rubber-mounted springs, large shock absorbers, and stabilizers. This all-rounder combines the reliability of tested, mass-produced components with state-of-the-art innovative engineering. From cargo troop carrier to heavy equipment tractor with gross train weights of up to 120 tons, the HX vehicles of all different variants ensure the perfect fit for all military purposes. The HX covers a broad spectrum from transport vehicle to heavy-duty transporter with a gross train weight of over 120 tons. It costs about 382 million euros. Themis UGV. The words Themis UGV stands for Tracked Hybrid Modular Infantry Systems Unmanned Ground Vehicle. It's a ground-based vehicle that can be operated without the human presence inside it. Main purpose for its creation is to provide troop support by serving as transport platform, remote weapon stations, detection of IEDs and disposable units, etc. The design of the vehicle gives multi-mission possibilities to itself. The main purpose of Themis is to provide on-base logistics to the soldiers on the front line. It reduces the load of physical handling and ensures more survivability. Themis can effectively enhance the internal work and decrease the reaction time of commanders by collecting and processing raw information from law enforcement agencies. And last but not least, our dear Themis is also capable of firing conventional machine gun or missile rounds, so don't see it as just a transporter. Dagor. Dagor is an ultra-light combat vehicle made to meet the essential needs in the military. Dagor serves the purpose of high-degree mobility of soldiers and equipment in ultra-harsh off-road condition. The good thing about Dagor is that it can roam in a same way even with the full payload. It can mount many things, even a 48-inch weapon ring. It can travel quickly among on- and off-road conditions without any hassle, and Dagor can really reduce the infantry gap among soldiers. Dagor is flexible enough to carry 4 or more soldiers at once. It is designed to be air mobile, so you can imagine the combination of rough terrain performance and air mobility makes it unbelievably flexible. RAFALE. Over the past decades, Air Force has been the first military component involved in all crisis and conflicts of nation. The Air Force Department is undoubtedly the most strategic department of weapons today, both in terms of strategical and war sides. In modern times, air dominance is a must so that air-to-sea or air-to-ground operations can be executed with full safety and efficiency. The RAFALE with its capabilities is a right choice of approach by the increasing number of cases happening all around the world. This multi-talented RAFALE participates in permanent quick reaction alert, sovereignty missions, deployment or external missions, deep strike missions, nuclear deterrence duties, and many more. RAFALE comes in 3 variants according to seating capacity and equipment commonality, i.e. RAFALE C, RAFALE B, and RAFALE M. This all-in-one pack is versatile, flexible, and most importantly, survivable. Ripsaw EV2. The beast you are watching on your screen is the fastest dual-track vehicle available in the market. The Ripsaw EV2 is especially made for the people of off-road enthusiasts. It has the power to take you anywhere, regardless of the surface. You can run this on any kind of terrain with high speed. Its heavy-duty rubber tracks allows it to face sharp slopes and loose surface in a hassle-free manner. This beast has a capacity of 4 people so that you can enjoy together with your friends and family. No rocket science, just enter through the wing doors and tighten your seatbelts for the unforgettable ride of your life. Eurocopter X3. The Eurocopter X3 is a high-speed compound helicopter. This record-breaking helicopter has achieved a speed of 472 kilometers per hour in a level flight recently a few years back. You'll be amazed to know that the makers of this helicopter made it with complete secrecy and record time. It flew for the first time on the 6th of September 2010. It has a speed of more than 50% than a conventional helicopter. Now this beauty is situated at a French museum, so maybe we could see it sometime, and you'll be thrilled by seeing it. We bet this. Hope you all liked the video. You can drop your suggestions and views below in the comment section.